Welcome to our exciting journey through the Scottish Highlands, where we uncover 15 hidden gems that will leave you in awe. Get ready to explore a unique blend of breathtaking landscapes and lesser-known spots that are sure to captivate your adventurous spirit. From rugged mountains to serene lochs, the Scottish Highlands offer a truly magical experience for those seeking off-the-beaten-path adventures. Join us as we delve into the allure of Scotland and unveil the hidden treasures that await you. This video is perfect for Ultimate Traveler's audience, which craves discovering new and enchanting travel destinations. Let's embark on this unforgettable exploration together. Prepare to be mesmerized by the majestic mountain ranges nestled in the heart of the Scottish Highlands. Our journey takes us to lesser-known peaks boasting stunning views and unique features that will leave you speechless. Discover hidden gems that offer a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility, inviting you to explore their rugged beauty. From enchanting hiking trails to thrilling outdoor activities, these mountains provide an unforgettable experience for adventurous travelers seeking a taste of the untamed wilderness. Join us as we uncover the beauty and serenity of these hidden mountain treasures waiting to be explored. Immerse yourself in the enchanting beauty of the Serene lochs scattered throughout the Scottish Highlands, waiting to be discovered. These hidden gems boast crystal-clear waters and picturesque surroundings that will transport you to a world of tranquility and wonder. Explore lesser-visited lochs that exude a peaceful and magical atmosphere, inviting you to unwind and connect with nature. From leisurely water activities to captivating boat tours, these hidden treasures offer a unique experience for those seeking solace in the midst of Scotland's breathtaking landscapes. Join us as we unravel the secrets of these enchanting lochs and embrace their serene allure. Embark on a journey to uncover the charm and history of hidden castles nestled in the Scottish Highlands, waiting to reveal their secrets to you. Explore lesser-known castles with intriguing stories and architectural beauty that will transport you back in time. Delve into the rich heritage and cultural significance of these historic gems, each with its own tale to tell. From guided tours that offer a glimpse into the past to special events that bring these castles to life, immerse yourself in the captivating world of Scotland's hidden treasures. Join us as we unravel the mysteries and beauty of these historic castles, preserving their legacy for generations to come. Step off the beaten path and into the quaint and charming villages nestled in the Scottish Highlands, where traditional charm and local culture await your discovery. Explore hidden gems that exude a unique character, offering a glimpse into the heart of Scotland's rich heritage. From vibrant local festivals to lively events that showcase the village's spirit, immerse yourself in the warm hospitality and authentic experiences that these cozy villages have to offer. Embrace the sense of community and tradition as you wander through cobblestone streets and interact with the friendly locals, creating memories that will last a lifetime in these hidden havens of tranquility. Prepare to be mesmerized by the hidden cascades and waterfalls that adorn the Scottish Highlands, showcasing nature's raw beauty at its finest. Discover lesser-known waterfalls with impressive heights and breathtaking natural surroundings that will leave you in awe. Embark on hiking trails that lead to stunning viewpoints offering unparalleled perspectives of these hidden wonders, allowing you to witness their power and majesty up close. Immerse yourself in the symphony of rushing water and lush greenery as you explore these hidden gems, each a testament to the untamed beauty of Scotland's rugged landscapes. Join us on a journey to experience the magic of these spectacular waterfalls in the heart of the Highlands. Embark on a culinary adventure and indulge in the flavors of traditional Scottish dishes at hidden culinary gems scattered throughout the Scottish Highlands. Discover lesser-known eateries and food markets that offer authentic Scottish cuisine, each a treasure trove of unique flavors and culinary delights. From locally sourced ingredients to time-honored cooking techniques, these spots showcase the best of Scotland's rich culinary heritage. Immerse yourself in the warmth of Scottish hospitality as you savor hearty stews, freshly caught seafood, and delectable baked goods that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Join us in experiencing the true essence of Scottish cuisine in these hidden culinary havens. Wildlife encounters. Embark on a thrilling journey to encounter the diverse and lesser-seen wildlife species that call the Scottish Highlands home. Explore hidden spots that are havens for wildlife and nature enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into the natural beauty of Scotland's untamed landscapes. Learn about conservation efforts aimed at preserving these precious habitats and the importance of protecting the delicate balance of ecosystems. Experience the exhilaration of spotting rare and majestic creatures, from red deer to golden eagles, in their natural environment, creating unforgettable moments that highlight the magic of the Scottish wilderness. Join us in celebrating the wonders of wildlife in the Scottish Highlands. Hidden beaches. Discover the hidden treasures of secluded and pristine beaches tucked away in the Scottish Highlands, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Explore hidden coastal gems with golden sands and crystal-clear waters that beckon you to unwind and relax in their tranquil embrace. Engage in water activities or coastal walks that allow you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of these off-the-beaten-path seaside spots, each offering a unique perspective of Scotland's rugged coastline. Embrace the tranquility and natural beauty of these hidden beaches, where the sound of crashing waves and the salty sea breeze create a sense of peace and serenity. Magical forests. Embark on a journey to explore the enchanting woodlands and forests that conceal mystical secrets in the Scottish Highlands, where nature's magic comes alive. Discover lesser-known forest trails adorned with ancient trees and lush greenery, inviting you to wander through a realm of tranquility and beauty. Uncover folklore and legends that shroud these hidden forest areas in mystery, adding an element of wonder to your adventure. Immerse yourself in the sense of awe and curiosity that permeates these magical woods, where every rustle of leaves and whisper of the wind hints at the untold stories that lie within. Join us in unraveling the enchantment of Scotland's mystical forests. Embark on a thrilling journey and dive into the heart-pounding world of outdoor adventures at hidden spots in the Scottish Highlands, where adrenaline and excitement await. Discover lesser-known activities such as rock climbing, kayaking, or ziplining that promise to push your limits and ignite your sense of adventure. Learn about safety precautions and the essential equipment needed to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience in these rugged landscapes. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you try new activities in stunning natural settings where every moment is filled with excitement and the promise of unforgettable memories. Join us in embracing the thrill of adventure in the breathtaking Scottish Highlands. Local artisans. Uncover the hidden workshops and craft studios in the Scottish Highlands, where talented artisans breathe life into traditional Scottish craftsmanship. Explore the world of pottery, textiles, and jewellery, each piece a testament to the skill and creativity of these local artists. Delve into the cultural significance and rich history behind these traditional crafts, offering a glimpse into Scotland's artistic heritage. Support local artisans and bring home authentic Scottish souvenirs that capture the essence of the Highlands, each piece a unique treasure that tells a story of craftsmanship and tradition. Immerse yourself in the world of Scottish artistry and take home a piece of Scotland's creative spirit. Off-the-beaten-path trails. Embark on a hiking adventure through lesser-known trails in the Scottish Highlands, where stunning views and hidden surprises await around every corner. Discover scenic routes that showcase diverse landscapes and natural wonders, from rolling hills to cascading waterfalls, inviting you to immerse yourself in the beauty of Scotland's untamed wilderness. Explore trail difficulty levels and points of interest along the way, each offering a unique perspective of the Highlands' rugged terrain. Embrace the sense of exploration and discovery as you traverse these off-the-beaten-path trails, where every step brings you closer to the heart of Scotland's natural splendour. Join us on a journey of hiking and discovery in the breathtaking Scottish Highlands. Cultural festivals. Immerse yourself in the vibrant celebrations and cultural events held in hidden corners of the Scottish Highlands, where traditions come alive in a tapestry of music, dance, and rituals. Discover lesser-known festivals that offer a glimpse into Scotland's rich heritage, each event a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people. Explore the significance of these cultural gatherings in preserving Scottish traditions and passing them down to future generations. Engage in local traditions, connect with the community, and experience the warmth of Scottish hospitality as you participate in these festive celebrations. Join us in celebrating the heart and soul of Scotland at these hidden cultural festivals. Conclusion. As we come to the end of our journey through the Scottish Highlands, let's recap the main highlights of the 15 hidden gems that await your exploration. From stunning landscapes to adventurous experiences and cultural discoveries, these off-the-beaten-path destinations offer a truly unforgettable travel experience. Seeking out hidden gems allows you to uncover the true essence of Scotland and create lasting memories that will stay with you forever. We encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video to inspire others to discover the beauty of the Scottish Highlands and embark on their own magical adventures. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.